I'm seeing visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye-bye love. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hello Taurus, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for May 8 to May the 14th reading. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po yung nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto nyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, dun po yan sa ating kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. No? Yan po ang ating unang channel na catered for our international audience. Ayan, nagla-live din po tayo doon. So, Taurus, marami tayong pag-uusapan. I want you to know that this is a general reading, so you may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate po sa konti lang. Take what's only yours. So, Taurus, ang nakikita natin dito, marami tayong pinagdadaanan ngayon and we feel like, bakit parang hindi na ako nakatawid? No, parang hindi na ako nakausad. I feel like I'm stuck in the situation wherein I feel like I was prisoned, no, with the certain scenario. Wala na ba akong pag-asa dito? I feel like ang tagal-tagal ko na, no, na nasa ganitong sitwasyon. There may be options na ginagawa tayo, pero we keep on returning from where we at. So parang, ano ba to? Nasa loop ba ako? The Judgment, the Wheel of Fortune, and the Knight of Spades. So parang sinasabi dito, lalo na sa finances, no? Ang nakikita ko dito, medyo, etong week na ito, medyo uusad tayo. Actually, hindi lang uusad. Hindi lang medyo uusad, no? Uusad talaga tayo. Wheel of Fortune is here. Merong mga dadating na hindi inaasahan. I feel like meron din tayong tinanim kasi. Let's say meron tayong pinautang before, tutulong na sa atin ngayon without as knowing, no, na tinanaw pala itong isang malaking utang na loob. Meron tayong ginawa, hindi lang ito nag-land sa lap natin. Of course, paano ka mananalo din sa loto kung hindi ka naman tataya, no? Mamaya, dasal ka lang naman ng dasal. Sana manalo ko sa loto. Paano ka mananalo? Hindi ka naman tumataya, no? Baka text. Makatanggap kayo ng text na nanalo kayo. Maniniwala ka ba? Kasi hindi ka naman sumasali sa raffle. Baka ganun naman. So, obvious na obvious. Pero kung sumali ka naman, I mean, tumaya ka naman, chances are, no, parang ito yung week na medyo papalarin tayo, no? Na medyo malaking pera to, ha? Hopefully, jackpot, kasi Wheel of Fortune, ito yung pinakamataas, no? Apart from the 10 of Pentacles. 10 of Pentacles kasi nandun siya sa suit. Ito kasi major arcana, so something major is going to happen. Actually, 2 major arcanas in here, the Judgment. So I feel like, maniniwala ba ako dito? So, you need to make some judgment in here. Hindi ko sinasabi din na kailangan itaya nyo lahat ng pera ninyo, no? But I feel like if meron na kayong inaalaga ang numbers, I feel like itong inaalaga ang numbers ninyo magpapakita, no? With regards to the career, bakit hindi nyo kasi bigyan ng lakas ng loob yung sarili ninyo to probably ask, no, the management, paano ba makapunta sa ganyang position, no? Paano ako makakapasok sa ganitong department? um, paano ko gagawin ang isang bagay. Kung wala naman din guidance, maaari mo ba akong tulungan, no? You can probably ask your supervisors, your manager, I can be apprentice, no? Demand on it. Not really demand na medyo bastos na, hoy, akin yan, no? In a nice way, I want to be there po. Baka pwedeng ipakita mo sa kanila na you're interested. I'll take at least 1 hour, no, to learn things on that position, no. At least nakikita nila yung drive. So nakikita ko kasi dito, when you give something, when you express something, no, lalo na kung nakikita nila yung inyong willingness, no, yung gutom doon sa position, I think natututukan kayo at parang ibibigay naman, no? Let's jump into the relationship. Singles. So, sa singles, ready na tayo. No, actually, ang puso natin parang sinasabi, eto na nga yun. Ready na rin akong magkaroon ng somehow crush, no? Or yung crush ko, ready na akong or yung may crush sa akin, ready ko na siyang i-entertain, no? Siguro we're really opening ourselves naman to something. I think that you need to open. Kasi with the challenges in here, medyo babaan natin yung ating mga sabihin nating mga check marks, bullets, no? Ating mga qualifications, ayan. Merong parating or meron na, chances are, no, baka ito ay Libra, no, or has a Libra placement in their chart. So meron pala akong kakilala na Taurus and Libra, ayan. But I think that they are already together. When it comes to crushes, no labels, ayan, naisip ko sila bigla. I think that this reading is for them. But without, thinking of them. It just so happened na biglang nag-flash itong kwento. Anyway, crushes and no labels. So meron ditong expressions, not just you, but also expression of your person. May pag-amin ng nararamdaman. So parang this week, hindi mo mapapansin na ako lang pala ang nagbibigay ng halaga dito sa relationship na ito. Meron kasing bawi, no? Meron din kasing expression of love si person sa'yo. Parang masasabi mo dito na, ay, gusto din pala ako, no? Third party situation, I feel like there's gift sa iyo ng person mo. Chances are medyo, ito ba ang huling hirit sa tag-init, no? Parang hahabol yata kayo this summer, kahit nag-uulan na, ihahabol nyo pa rin yung being with the person together. With regards to separated couple, iba kasi ang istorya ninyo eh. I feel like magkakaroon ng agreement pero for the sake of harmony, no? Harmony because of we need to be civil or probably we need to do this because of the child. But then again, that's the start. Wala pa naman ako nakikitang magkakabalikan agad-agad, no? So, yung para pagising, ay kami na uli. Wala namang ganon. Pero, ito yung week na parang, okay, we are going to work things together for the sake of probably, for old time's sake, for the sake of the kids, for the sake of our family. Baka kasi gusto siya ng family, no? Parang yung mga family ang hindi makalet go. Ayan. When it comes to magjowa and married couple, ano itong nakikita ko na parang meron kayong agreement na both of you are going to say okay, no? Parang nasa iisang layunin kayo, unlike before na medyo challenging ang nangyayari, challenging ang situation, medyo hindi So, harmony din, no? Ang nakikita ko, medyo ngayon nagkakaisa na yung isip ninyong dalawa. So, nawawala itong disagreement, no? Miscommunication also. So, para magiging okay. Ace of Pentacles, the Sun, and the Queen of Vessels. Now, pero bakit may sinasabi ito? Parang kulang. I'm expecting so much. Now, let's check the Queen of Vessels or clarify the Queen of Vessels, the Four of Staves, and the Six of Pentacles. So, gradual naman ito, pero tuloy-tuloy. So, at least, no, so hopefully, na itong pasok ng energy na ito, the reason why I said energy, it can be a person, it can be an event, no? It can be a situation. Hopefully, magdare-diretso ito na just for the week. Kasi nakikita ko, ang ganda. Ito na nga yung pag-usad nung inyong pag-usad nitong kinalalagyan ninyo dahil in the past days, weeks, months, nandyan lang kayo. So, pwede na kayo makakahinga na kayo ng maluwag, no? Especially when it comes to finances, kasi nandito yung Ace of Pentacles, ito yung simula, no? Parang merong panimula, merong pampuhunan, no? Hahanapin mo lang dito yung siguro meron kang mga dating ginagawa na kailangan mo munang i-sacrifice, pero napakaganda naman ng balik dahil stability is here. Kaya nga ang sabi ko, hopefully, no, ganun talaga, kung meron tayong kailangan i-sacrifice, no? Kung gusto natin ng ibang outcome, no? Meron tayong dapat ding gawin on our part na hindi pa natin ginagawa or nakalimutan natin gawin na dati naman natin ginagawa. So I feel like kailangan natin yung i-practice ulit, no? So, yun ang simula with the Six of Pentacles, medyo mabagal, no? Pero at least meron ng transactions, yung flow ng money, medyo okay siya. To a point wherein things are going to be very stable. Yun yung sabi ko. Now, when it comes to the career, eto na yung parang sabihin natin, we need to make a bold move, no? Bold talaga, as in malakas ang loob natin dapat dito. Ipakita natin yung want, no? Ipakita natin yung siguro hindi lang want, yung cravings, no, for that. I will do everything to be a part of, you know, that specific department, because I am capable, no? Singles, I think that dapat nyo nga i-open kasi hinahanap mo na dito yung puso mo eh. This person might going to parang yung mga qualifications nyo, hindi man lahat, pero karamihan, mache-checkmark naman ito, mache-checkmark. Kumbaga mapipindot naman ito, no? Somewhat, siguro mga 80 to 90% of your qualifications, no? Pasok naman siya. Siguro lang, medyo babaan natin ng konti. Pero yung enhancement siguro, no? To be that 100%, I feel like this is through your help then, no? Encouragement, ayan. Third-party situations and yung separated couples, gradual. So, ibig sabihin, lalo na doon sa separated couples, medyo ang ina-expect kasi natin dapat bukas maayos na kami, no? Gradual naman ito. Tulad ng sinabi ko, medyo nabe-breadcrumbs tayo, pero at least ito na yung doorway, no? Ito yung simula para mapunta kayo doon sa mismong pinapangarap mong unity, no? Or union, rather. In a relationship and married couples, ang nakikita natin dito, parang meron kayong savings no? Huhulugan uli o mag-start na kayo ng anong tawag doon? Joint account, or there's something about home. Ito na ba yung plans of buying a new place? Magtitingin kayo ng lugar? Siguro meron kayong plan lumipat or bumukod na. I feel like this is going to happen. For magjowa, siguro more of living in together muna. Yun siguro muna ang pinaplan before itong tinatawag nating marriage, no? One thing's for sure, lalo na dun sa magjowa, gusto nyong subukan ang pagkakaroon ng mga sariling desisyon, yung kayo lang, no? And how this person reciprocate with my energy, gusto ko siyang makilala sa loob ng iisang bubong, no? So this is your reading, Taurus. Let's check the zodiac sign of your person. Pero bago po yan, gusto kong sabihin sa inyo na sa kabilang channel po, Babaylan TV, dyan po tayo nagla-live, no? So, kung hindi nyo po maabutan, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa ating comment section as long as yung question po is answerable by yes or no. Pero kung hindi po kayo papatulugin ng yes or no, nasagot lang, dumiretso na po kayo dun sa ating website, no? There is a link sa description box ng video na ito. There is a link. Click the link, you will be routed to my page, to my website. Nandun po yung information, name, number, QR code, amount per question. And speaking of number, kaya ako po nilagay dun yung number, it's for the payment purposes. Yan. Huwag po kayong basta-basta tumatawag. Either nagpapahinga po ako or nagvi-video tayo, nagre-record tayo ng video. Ayaw naman natin maputol yung momentum, no? Kasi baka, mababablanko ako. Lalo na, respect po, no? Kung hindi naman inaasahan yung tawag ninyo, huwag po kayong tumawag. There's proper way, i-email nyo po yung inquiry. Ayan. Nandun lang po yung number for payment purposes, no? Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi discounted po yun. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. So let's check the zodiac sign of your person, Taurus. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. Pwede kapwa Taurus ito, Leo, Pisces, Virgo, Libra, no? So this is your reading, Taurus. Maraming salamat po sa panonood. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.
You want the